Hi, this is Dr. Amrita, and welcome to the Health Wealth Bridge podcast. I am not the right person to give guidance about the nuances of beautiful writing, but being a medical doctor, I can tell you how it helps your mind and body. But before I delve into that, I need to tell you a little secret. Even though I recommend writing as self improvement, mindfulness, and mental health aid, you will find it challenging to write. If you don't like reading, it will be even more tricky. While writing talent may be rare, without the ability to replenish your reading ability, it gets tricky. But why write and not just read? The more difficult it is to write something, the more it makes your brain work. The better it will find age related brain changes. So, how to tap into the creative woman inside you? Doodle. Write down your dream sequences which you can recollect the first thing in the morning. Get organized. Clutter can suffocate creativity. Give away stuff and see how creativity flows in. Collect creative images you admire online, on Pinterest, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram. It may be pictures of home decor stuff, DIY, anything. Seeing decor pictures on house is a favorite way for me to unwind. Self-discipline. This one is a no-brainer. I may be talented, lucky, anything. If I don't practice discipline and harness the power of habits, my success has a high risk of being short. Get close to nature. How writing improves health and wellness. Expressive writing and journaling have several health benefits. It enhances immunity, improves anger control, stabilizes mood, decreases pain severity, decreases fatigue, improves interpersonal relationships. In fact, artistic involvement, including music, drawing, and other creative arts, has a short term and long term effect on physical and mental health. Improving stress management. A few years back, I was co hosting a weekly thankfulness blog hop. It was one of the most satisfying things I blogged about. Now, the question of writing. Let me tell you something. I studied English only as a subject until my class 12. As an MBBS student, we don't have language subjects. It takes courage and willpower to even start the process of writing and publishing for the world to see. I am blessed. I have been now writing for 5 years, and with 700 blog posts on this blog, I often wonder how this was even possible. Sometimes we don't know what our dreams are. None of us know why we came to this world, but we are all traveling towards the same destination. Just like a circle, our life and death and everything in between are part of a continuum. What we do in between to make this world and spirituality. All of this helps in enhancing people with post-traumatic stress disorder and those recovering from an illness like cancer. A is for attitude here. While reading has helped me discover a lot about myself, writing helped me fill the missing bits. Health is a favorite topic on my blog. It's the soul of it. It's the reason I started writing. But what exactly is wellness, well-being, peace and happiness? Do they go together? Can happiness come without peace and contentment? Is contentment the antithesis of success? And can the pursuit of success and happiness happen together while practicing daily wellness? So many questions whose answer I can't find anywhere. Having the right attitude gives us the extra push, the added strength to climb the mountain. This can-do attitude for the right thing needs to be developed from the right age. An attitude of gratitude is another thing in your wellness cupboard that needs regular airing. You will feel that you are sufficiently grateful. But most often, we crib when stressed. So to fight the stress monster, develop an attitude of self-discipline. This is part of the How to Walk, Write and Garden for the Healthy Life You Want book. You can listen to the previous audiobook chapters on this podcast. You will find a link to the book in the description of the podcast below. Thank you for listening. Till next time. You were listening to Dr. Amrita on the Health Wealth Rich podcast.